The great thing about APT is it's a unique vehicle capability.
The autonomous pod transport is unique because it's a tail-sitter aircraft capable of transitioning onto wing-borne flight,
APT is an all-electric, autonomous aircraft that vertically takes off and lands.
which gives you significantly quieter modes of operation and more efficiency, allowing it to go further with a heavier payload.
What's really great about the APT vehicle is there really are almost limitless applications.
The autonomous pod transport can be used for logistics, delivery of goods and things of need to remote and rural customers, as well as urban customers, military customers. The payloads can consist of blood, first aid supplies, or packages that you've ordered online.
And so therefore you're getting out of beyond line of sight. We were operating up in Choctaw Nation, which has one of our flight locations, and we were able to demonstrate that beyond line of sight capability.
And the aircraft is completely capable of finding small landing sites and being able to land at those sites regardless of how tight they are or other constraints. It's really designed to operate in this type of an austere environment.
What's really unique about APT is that it really just has this center section to it that is considered a customer's area. And so whether that is a pod for a high-density payload like ammunition or water or rations for a military customer, or whether you need that pod to be more volumetrically driven, so you need packages that maybe have some air in them or they're not as dense from a payload standpoint, but you still need volume, or at the far end of the spectrum, maybe you need a sensor payload with it as well, so it allows you to multitask in flying a given mission.
The APT family consists of technologies that can be scaled from APT 20, which carries a 20-pound payload, to APT 70 that carries a 70-pound payload, all the way up to 400 to 500 pounds of payload. The same technology, the same flight controls, it's just different frame sizes and different capabilities as a result.
And then finally, what really sets it apart from all other competitors is the aircraft has no central fuselage, which means it breaks up into very small boxes. The heaviest weight is 57 pounds. So you can imagine this makes it easy to put on the back of a truck.
We're casting a pretty wide net on technologies, but if you look at them and group them together, they're really focused on new types of vehicles, the unmanned space, and in the electrically powered vehicle space.
It's really exciting to work on the autonomous pod transport because it's a new and evolving technology. It's clearly a new market that aerospace is leading into: unmanned logistics, autonomous aircraft, all-electric eVTOL. It's really exciting to be a part of it, and it's really setting up Bell to be a leader in the future markets.